VFS Global is the exclusive partner of the Embassy of Italy in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Applicants must book their Italy visa submission appointments easily by themselves without relying on any third-party entity. Appointment bookings are absolutely free of cost. Booking an appointment for submitting your Italy visa application at our centres in Bangladesh is easy. Here's the step-by-step guide. 1. Visit www.vfsglobal.com and select Bangladesh as the country you are applying from and Italy as the country you wish to visit using the drop-downs. 2. After being redirected to the Italy and Bangladesh website, click on the Book an Appointment tab. 3. Click on Book Now and register yourself by clicking the I don't have an account link. 4. Log into your account via your registered email ID or mobile number. 5. To log in, enter your email ID or mobile number, your password, and select the CAPTCHA following the guidelines on the screen. 6. Click on Start New Booking and select your visa application centre, appointment category, and subcategory using the drop-downs. 7. Enter your details such as name, gender, date of birth, nationality, etc. and click Continue. 8. Generate a one-time password, OTP, by entering your registered mobile number. 9. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and click Continue to proceed. 10. Select the appointment date and time, review all the details, and accept the terms and conditions to confirm. 11. Download and print the appointment booking letter received on your registered email ID.